Run! No! Run! That's not running! That's backwards! Shit! Fuck! What do I do? No! Close my path? Oh, Bella's so concerned. Stop it. Get down. Damn. Where the fuck am I? Nope. This way. Oh shit. Fuck. What the fuck? Fuck! Shit! No! Motherfucker! What the hell? That's never happened before! Shit! What the fuck? Oh, fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. No! No! You can't see me. Oh shit! No! What? Mary, what do I do? I can't do this. I can't. What's over here? Fuck! No! Oh shit! Come on, Max, come on, dude. Come on. Fuck. What do I do? I have to. I'll stop him with the barrel. No. Run! Damn it! Fuck. Shit. What the hell am I supposed to do? Can I go back? Can I just go through another door? No? It won't let me. Shit. Oh. Fuck. Just go. Oh god. Oh, what? Oh, come on. No, please don't kill me. No, damn it, door. No, fuck. No, damn it. Son of a bitch, the damn door. I can't do this. Okay, I'm not gonna freak out this time. I got this. Shit. Come on, Daniel. Fucking work with me, motherfucker. Go. Just go. Don't even care. Who cares? No, is someone chasing me? Who gives a shit? Oh, look. No, come on, you goddamn dork. Son of a bitch. Nope, I got this under control. No. What the hell? We were fucking dancing. The monster and I were dancing. God damn it, Daniel. Come on. Why is that door? Why am I not running? Okay. Alright. Alright, go. Let's go. Hey! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Doors, don't fuck with me. Don't know where I'm going. Oh, come on. Can't see me. Can't see me, right? Okay. Alright. Why are they all locked? What the hell? What the fuck? This is crazy. I don't have anything. What am I supposed to do here? Hey, well, I guess I'm going back out. Fuck. Just go. Just go. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What the fuck? Alright, you know, I can't handle this anymore. I can't handle it anymore. Nope, no more. No more. No more. Alright, I'm done. I'm done. So freaking done.